Hey, hey, it's London's favourite bike courier. How are you doing, David?
Good, Sam. Busy, though. Busy.
Busy as always. You're always on the go and you always need your phone on you. So give us the need-to-knows about extending battery life on the Galaxy S9.
Right. Ultimately, you want your phone running as smoothly as possible. So to do that, what you do is hit Settings, then click Device Maintenance and hit Optimize. That's going to cut out all those apps and games that you're not using.
Nice. OK, Settings, Device Maintenance, Optimize. Got it. Next tip.
Next tip, power saving mode. Using 2 fingers, pull down from the top, long hit power save, then hit mid and apply.
What if I'm really low, like I'm down to my last 10%? I'm at Glastonbury and there's no plug point. What do I do then?
No battery, Glasto. What a cliche. Right, instead of hitting mid, you can hit max, and that could give you up to 24 hours extended battery life.
24 hours?
Ultra power saving mode.
Oh, that's ultra useful.
I know. Luckily, I don't need that right now, but what I do need to do is hit the road.
Yep, those packages aren't going to deliver themselves.
No, they're not. Hi, Bixby. Open Maps.
He'd be lost without Bixby.
I heard that.